Imagine a world where every web page you visit isn't just static or predetermined, but rather adapts to you, with real-time features tailored to your exact needs. Sounds futuristic? It's closer than you think. With AI and automation tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT and advanced backend solutions, we're entering an era where dynamic web apps aren't just a possibility. They're the future. Let's break it down and see how it's all coming together. The rise of personalized web experiences, from static to dynamic. Remember the early days of the web? The internet was like a library with a bunch of dusty books. Static, unchanging, and not very interactive. But times have changed, and with the advent of advanced AI, dynamic websites are taking over. Web pages now don't just load content, they adapt to your behavior, your preferences, and your needs. Personalization isn't just a nice-to-have feature anymore. It's becoming the expectation. Think of Netflix recommendations, Google search results, and even your social media feed. They all learn from you. Now it's time for websites and web apps to do the same. Your homepage might look like everyone else's, but once you interact with it, it transforms based on your interests, preferences, and past interactions. Real-time data integration. The Bitcoin price example. One of the most common features that benefit from dynamic web integration is real-time data. Take the example of Bitcoin. It's volatile. Prices are constantly changing, and so is your need for real-time information. Gone are the days when you needed to refresh a page or search for a Bitcoin price tracker. With an AI-powered backend, a website can dynamically generate and display up-to-the-minute Bitcoin prices as soon as you land on the page. How does it work? An application programming interface fetches the data from a reliable source, like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and the AI system writes the necessary code to display the current price in a format that suits the user's preferences. For instance, if you want the price in green text and Courier font with a timestamp updated every minute, that's easily achievable, thanks to AI tools that handle the coding on the fly. Real-time graphs and data visualization. Making sense of the numbers. You've seen the price change in real time, but numbers alone don't always tell the full story. That's where graphs come into play. With AI-powered web apps, you can not only see the price change, but also visualize the fluctuations through interactive graphs. Think about it. A website that automatically generates a graph of Bitcoin's last 24-hour price movement, updates it every minute, and lets you zoom in to better understand market trends. And all of this happens without the need for complex coding or constant user input. AI, in this case, handles everything from fetching the data to generating the graph's visual components. Currency converters and real-time calculators. Your personalized financial assistant. If you're like most people, you probably want to know how much your Bitcoin is worth in your local currency, whether that's USD, Euro, or something more niche like Norwegian krone. Here's where AI-driven real-time converters come in. Let's say you want a Bitcoin to krone converter. You type in the number of Bitcoins you own, and voila! The site fetches the current exchange rate, calculates the conversion in real time, and shows you the value of your holdings in the local currency. This is the magic of personalized web apps. Dynamic features that respond to your needs as soon as you ask. And it's not just limited to crypto. This same system could work for any number of financial calculations, from stock prices to tax calculations to mortgage estimations. AI-powered web development, the backbone of real-time customization. Behind the scenes, AI is working tirelessly to ensure that everything runs smoothly. Let's talk about the brain of the operation, AI-driven development. When you want to add a new feature to your web app, you don't need to manually code it. Instead, you give the system a prompt, like "I want a graph showing Bitcoin's 24-hour price change." AI takes that prompt, writes the necessary React code, validates it, and installs any packages or dependencies needed to make the feature work. It's like having a personal assistant who not only organizes your day, but builds your web app too. Code validation and dependency management. Let the AI do the heavy lifting. One of the most exciting aspects of AI in web development is its ability to validate code and handle dependencies. Writing code isn't always easy. Bugs, missing dependencies, or even typos can break a feature or cause frustrating delays. However, with AI tools, those worries can be a thing of the past. When AI generates code for a new feature, it doesn't just stop there. It checks the code for errors, making sure all required imports are included and ensuring the feature works as intended. Plus, if your app needs any additional libraries, say Axios for making application programming interface calls or Framer Motion for animations, the AI takes care of installing those dependencies too. It's like having a debugger, package manager, and code reviewer all rolled into one. Automation, the holy grail of speed and efficiency. AI in web development automates the entire feature building process. Users simply provide a prompt, and AI generates the necessary code. It then validates the code, installs dependencies, and ensures adherence to coding standards. The feature is integrated seamlessly into the web app, fully functional and production ready. This automation eliminates manual coding, dependency management, and testing, significantly speeding up development. With AI, workflows are faster, more efficient, and less error-prone. AI-driven testing, ensuring your features are bug-free. Even with AI writing the code, testing remains a crucial part of web development. Thankfully, AI tools can help automate this process too. After generating the code, the system can run a series of tests to ensure everything works as expected. These tests can check for common bugs, validate component functionality, and even perform cross-browser testing. So if you're building a new feature like a Bitcoin price tracker or a currency converter, AI doesn't just give you the code and let you go on your merry way. It ensures that the code is working properly and that the feature is fully functional before you even see it on your site. The future of personalized web apps. Where will AI take us? The possibilities of AI-driven web development are almost endless. While we've touched on a few key features like real-time data fetching, dynamic graphs, and currency converters, there's so much more AI can do to improve the user experience. In the future, we could see websites that adapt to individual user preferences, generating content, features, and layouts that are entirely personalized. Websites might not just track what you're interested in. They might anticipate your needs before you even make a request. Imagine an AI that knows what you want from your Bitcoin tracker and proactively provides suggestions based on your past activity. Or a fitness app that generates personalized workout plans and tracks progress in real time, adjusting based on your feedback. The potential for personalization is limitless, and AI is paving the way for that future. How you can get involved. Building your own AI-powered web apps. By now, you're probably wondering how you can start building these AI-powered dynamic websites yourself. Fortunately, it's easier than ever to get started. Many platforms now offer resources like Scrimba that allow you to learn AI and web development interactively. Scrimba's courses let you pause videos, edit code in real time, and experiment with AI-driven tools. It's an excellent way to dive deep into both the fundamentals and the advanced concepts of web development and AI, all while building your own projects. So if you're looking to jump into the world of AI-powered web development, don't be intimidated by the tech. And that's a wrap on how AI is transforming web development. No more coding headaches, just fast, seamless feature building. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what feature you'd automate next. See you in the next one.